Hey everyone, this is the one-on-one conversation of not more than 10-minute conversation. Today is our day 20th of June, and today I record the video just to introduce myself in front of camera, that how I am confident toward myself to speak English with myself in front of camera, and how I was motivated or do well with myself. As we know that we have conversate with ourselves in English or in Hindi, anything that we want to talk with ourselves, we are hesitating with ourselves that we cannot do anything, we can't speak with ourselves because we are lots of self demotivated. So that how could we motivated by doing what other activities we have to just put it about ourselves, that just open the camera and say something that you have wanted to say anything about yourself. Don't hesitate, because if you know you are hesitated, as you can see my last video, I was so much hesitated, so that I can just run out and start the video and say anything that I can speak in front of camera. So this was the day, and today was the day that how I can improve my communication from the time that I was hesitated toward the camera, and how I can improve the conversation with myself. Because whenever you speak in front of camera, it build the conversation or strong the conversation, but also it can improve the confidence level. Because whenever you go for the interview or for any of the for interview, or as say for any of the job purpose, for any such that as I can say, for any job purpose, or for any school interview, for any school viva, for anything that you have gone for it, you have the best confidence about yourself that you can do very well, or you can do the best of yourself, because you have practiced a lot of with yourself in front of camera. Because we have to find out that, or we have know that whenever we speak with ourselves, we have the lots of confidence than the surrounding that have. So that how it could be so much important to speak with ourselves. So that this was the point. And what was the another point to improve your communication? Just to let's suppose that many people was not be say as say that many people was not able to perform their videos to be public, because they doesn't interact with the public because they are introvert. So the another reason was that just to go for in front of mirror, any single mirror, any small or bigger mirror, and just try to say anything in front of the mirror, then you can get the right to knowledge. Huh. What was the another thing that we have to do? As I told you about the second thing. And the third thing, that whenever you go for the mirror, and after that you can if you could not do mirror, then you can record the video in camera. Because whenever you record the videos in camera, you notice that you have the proper knowledge that where you have missed the word, where you have missed the grammar, what accent that you need to improve, because you have the record. Because whenever you talk in front of mirror, there could not be any record, so that you cannot qualitized or improvise that where you can miss toward yourself, that where I was missing myself. So that this could be take lots of time to speak. As because let's coming to the point that conversation with yourself was taking lots of time, because it was not to be happening in a single day. You have to just put in the camera and speak anything that you wanted to talk with yourself. Let's suppose that if you want to talk with me, just coming with myself in Google Meet, okay. First of all, you have to watch the full video, then you can know how I can meet you, how I can speak with you, so that you can improve your quality of conversation. So that how I can help you also. So that this was not to be free, but it might be cost something smaller, but not to be the proper whole money. Just to say not more than 100 rupees, this was a small rupees that you can purchase a trophy for yourself. So that because one of my creator, the known as Tube Sensei, where I was inspired from him, that he called that if you sorry to say, if you do or if you sell your service, don't go for free. You have to charge something and something from yourself, because whenever you charge something, that the course have something value for it. But if you cannot charge anything, that the course they have you sell, its value equals to zero. Because if you give the free access to anything, it has, just leave it. Let's suppose that many people has or many YouTuber or many teacher have give the sorry to say, give as I say, many teacher have give free PDF of solutions or free PDF questions, many things, but they cannot, but the student will not access it, but the student cannot receive it. But the student receive it, but they are just waste in their diary or the PDF section. So that why, what was the reason? Because the free information was worthless. So that what could you have to do? We have to paid something, not too very much huge payment, but you have to pay the something a little bit payment, so that you can improve your quality of conversation. Let's suppose anyone who wanted to talk with me, just enroll with me. I will send the QR code, don't worry about it. It doesn't upon the money that I can receive from you. Let's suppose that whenever I receive single amount of money, I will give the benefit that I can give it toward yourself. So that how it could be benefit to both of us. And now coming to another point, let's suppose if you cannot buy the subscription, don't worry about it. You can just only to do a single thing, that just you have to put it your as we can say, your questions, queries about yourself, that what could be the changes that we can bring into the videos, so that it could also helping to ask both of us, that was the viewer or that was the engaging people, that let's suppose if you cannot buy a subscription, then we have a small questions to that. If you can't do the subscription, then what you do, mark your questions in the comment section. After that I can receive the questions, and then I will make the video for you. Whenever you get video, you have received that what could be better for you. Now this was the 8-minute conversation. I know this was small conversation, but this is for today's video. I think this was so much longer, not longer, but it's a healthier conversation, or the best quality or the bestest voiceover that I have delivered today. Because let's suppose that everyday video was not to be important, but everyday quality video was important, so that not to be possible in everyday performance. So that what can we do? We can do that we make the conversation by doing 2 day 3 day, but even if possible I can speak in front of camera by always 2 day. So don't worry about it. And just today I'll leave the video, and don't forget to like the video if you enjoy the video. And this is for today's video, and how we close the video. And stay tuned, and if you like anything about our video, then please like.